This week I'm going to share my new custom build. This is the project number 19, the high grade 1/1 4/4 scale, the Glaive Unit for Altair. This unit is inspired by Altair from recreated anime series, one badass character that carries bunch of swords and a rifle. Plus, I also using Gaia Gundam mobile armor mode from Gundam Seed Destiny to merge with this project. This is design 1, 2, and 3. I'm going to show the first transformation, so check this one out. For this build, I'm currently using parts from Bandai Gunpla, Bandai 30 Minutes Mission, and Kotobukiya joints. This is not a final design. A lot needs to be improved, such as articulation, new mobile armor, head design, new chest design, head, legs, side skirts, and so on. You guys can follow my new progress on my Facebook page, Eizy Customizer. Yes, an extra news to be shared, my Facebook page Eizy Customizer is now back online. After a few months, I cannot post any new contents due to some restriction by Facebook. That's all the video for today. I hope you guys enjoy watching it, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, hit that like button, leave a comment down below, and also share my contents. You guys can also check out my Facebook page as well, Eizy Customizer. The links are in description down below. I do customizing, I do kit bashing, a lot of stuff with plastic model kit. Thank you very much for watching this video here on Eizy Customizer. We build, we share, and we're inspired. So that's all for me today. Check out. Bye.